Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, I welcome you back to my another edition of video. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So guys, today, as you know, I always bring you a confirmed strategy, and which I know that is going to help you guys in trading boom and crash index. And today I bring another wonderful set of strategy which will really help you guys. See, this strategy is very simple, and if you can follow the rules and the guides inside this video, then you can trade this successfully without making any loss. I'm not saying that this strategy is 100% accurate, but I'm telling you, if you can test run it on your demo account and if you can master it, I believe it's going to bring out something profitable for you guys. So let me show you the settings of this strategy and how it works, and I will explain how this strategy works. So let me first explain how this strategy works. So in our window 1, we have our window 1 and we have our window 2, and we have our main chart that we are checking out. So it is a confirmation of the two windows together for you before you can confirm this entry, and these are the entry you need to confirm. You see, anytime you are having your first cross, your two moving average on the first taking on the first window that is crossing each other, that is your first confirmation. And when you confirm that and you went back to your second window and you can confirm your second window on the uptrend, then it's telling you that you are going for an uptrend. So your second window will be the one to indicate which direction of the move of the market is going. So let me show you now example of this. You see, there is between the two moving average here, which is the red line and the blue line. You see there is a cross here, but once you check your window 1 and window 2, you will see that you have your 9 that is moving on in between the positive odd trend and the negative odd trend, and you need to wait for a confirmation on the uptrend. You see, it gives us a uptrend here, which indicates to us that this is a uptrend market. So that is the right time for you to take a entry. You see, if you are going to take your entry at this particular point, because you see, the once it cross here, then you need to wait for this confirmation to go on the uptrend for you to hold a up trade. You see that? So let me show you another settings that you need to know. You see, for example, like this now, this entry now, once you confirm it from the first window that these two moving average have crossed each other on the window 1, then you need to wait on the window 2 to see the move of the market. So you need to wait for it to go to downtrend. You see, it go on a below the negative odd trend. Once it go below the negative odd trend, you know that this market is going on a what? On a downtrend. Exactly. So that's how it works in the market. It works in crash 1000, higher time frames like 30 minutes, and also on crash 1002. Same thing, I will show you what is going to exactly how the market look like in crash 1000. So guys, same thing happen here. The first thing you need to wait for is for the two of them to cross, and you see it's crossed at this level, and you need to wait for what? For a confirmation on the uptrend here. You see, you wait for a confirmation of not between the negative and the positive side, but above them, then it's what give you an uptrend move. You see that? So exactly that is how the market keep on working. And you see this, it's crossed from this level, and if you check here now, you see that the market is on the middle between the negative and the positive trend before it went on a downtrend below the negative trend. So which interprets and means that you are going on a downtrend. You see, and you can easily take down your trade as you like. Set up your stop profit, and you can also set up your your take profits. So guys, now in this strategy, now I'm waiting for this confirmation to confirm. Once it's cross each other, then I keep on looking at this. If you give me an uptrend from this level, I know that this market is going on a uptrend. But if it doesn't give me an uptrend, then I know that that entry is not for me, so I have to wait for another opportunity. So let me show you exactly how it looks like on crash 1000 on 30-minute time frame. You see, now we have a confirmation moment. At this moment, you see there is a cross between the red and the blue 9 here, which happens to be this area, but that is not the area you are going to enter your trade. So you are going to enter this trade when you have a full confirmation in the second window. You see, it gives us a downtrend which is below the negative order, which tell you that this trade is a down trade. You see that. So what you are going to do now is just to wait. Once the first window confirm, wait for the second window to confirm, and once it's confirmed, you can take down your trade. So guys, another one here, another one confirmation. You see there is a cross here, but if you check this window too, you will see that is in between the negative and the positive advent. So you have to wait to see the move of the market. You see, keep on moving, and when it gets here, it gives us a uptrend. We tell us that this market is going on a uptrend. You see, from here. So if you enter your uptrend at this moment now, you know that you are going to catch up all these trade on the uptrend. So guys, this strategy is very wonderful. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. We have the window one, just only the indicator window one. We have the oscillator, stochastic oscillator, the K period of 120. We have the D period of 1, and we have the slowing, and we have close. You see now. So you just screenshot it. We have the level to be like this. Just screenshot it as I'm opening it. So you press on done. Then the first moving average is period of 10. We have method to be exponential. We have apply to close. We have red as our color here. Then you press on done. Then you move to the second moving average, which is 120. We have the shift of 0. Same exponential. We have apply to close, and we have blue as our color. Then you press on done. Then you have to move to the indicator window 2. Then you open it. You have your period of 14. You have applied to open, and you have your style to be in blue color. You see that negative is always there. Just press on done when you do that. So we have the commodity, that's the commodity channel index. So with that, you will have the same settings the way I have it here on my chart. So guys, uh so just practice this, just make sure you follow up this strategy and the rules and the guides the way I explain it in this video. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. Thanks.